The pulse laser cleaning machine is portable and suitable for on-site customer service. It has multiple cleaning modes and parameters to adjust, suitable for a variety of materials. It also has multiple languages to choose from. Its unique customized cleaning heads protect better the lens. The device uses pulsed laser technology to quickly and accurately clean various surfaces, such as metal, plastic, glass, ceramics, etc. The device does not require the use of chemical cleaning agents, making it environmentally friendly and energy-saving, while also reducing the risk of harm to personnel and equipment. In terms of operation, the pulsed laser cleaning machine is simple and easy to use, suitable for use in various occasions, providing users with a more efficient cleaning solution. The unique feature is not only clean metal and other materials, but also effectively clean paint on the wood surface, ensuring that the wood surface is clean and flawless. Its cleaning modes and advanced technology allow it to easily handle various stains on wood surfaces. The pulse cleaning machine can efficiently clean various types of paint, whether it is surface coating or paint residue. It can be quickly and completely removed. Compared with traditional cleaning methods, it can completely rinse the paint without damaging the substrate. This cleaning method is not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly. The most common is to clean metal rust stains, such as carbon steel, stainless steel, galvanized sheets, etc. It can remove rust from metal surfaces and also clean the surface oil, stain, dirt,